Thanks for joining us. I'm Amy Jo Wentz, and we're in Pleasant View, Kansas at Stutzmans Greenhouse, the production houses. So Ben, if people are not familiar with Stutzmans Greenhouse, you grow everything right here. We're on site. Tell us how that happens.
You know, that's a good point, because what a lot of people know as Stutzmans is perhaps the seasonal garden center we have within your community. But the production all starts right here. Almost 8 acres of actual greenhouse cover that we're in, and we happen to be in the geranium complex right now. And yes, the production all starts here. We grow it here, try to harden it up, and when I say harden it up, getting it prepared to where when it goes outside, it's tough and it can handle it well.
It all starts right here.
Right.
It's production here with your own fertilizer, your own soil, so it's acclimated, so it grows for Kansas weather. Tell us the secret of that.
Well, you know, the soil that we grow everything in containers and everything, is the same formula that is in our private label. You know, we talk about gardening being a lifestyle, and the thing is to do it as a family. But as far as for Stutzmans, we want you to expect success with anything that you get from us. And that is our promise, that we nurture the growing aspect so that truly can be the case.
All right, that's the Stutzmans Greenhouse. We are at the production houses where it all begins. Be sure to visit one of the 12 locations nearest you.